되겠습니다. 첫 번째 요소.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
Papa is going to work.
Huh?
You're going to work and Mama is...
Yeah, well, I was supposed to work at 3 o'clock or something. Well, Mama already got the car. And then my client said he didn't go to his work. Because this one still goes to his work with this wheelchair and everything. And oh, I forgot my vest. Oh my goodness. No, never mind. No vest anymore. So I'm going there earlier, so at least I will be home a bit earlier. Because tonight I have to work also. Maybe walk me, Baruch. It's dark, I know. Because I think Mama is going to vlog. Huh? You're going to vlog something?
Yeah.
So you film Mama. So can you come
I
here?
also need some preparation
No,
for his
you walk with
birthday.
me. You walk with me. What then?
Preparation for his birthday.
For what? Oh, preparation for my birthday. Oh my goodness. That's
For 2 days.
huh? 2 days already?
Yeah. I don't got any shoes, so...
I left it open.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we got a penalty, a ticket, and but we think it's a fake one. Maybe there's some funny person here who walks around with a machine, and that because when we check it on when we check it on the government, then there's no penalty. And because we have the permit that we can keep the car here for a while for loading and everything and picking up people. And twice we got a penalty in yeah, whatever. I have to go. See you. So tell them what it's about. The preparation for the birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. But something Filipino.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure out what we're going to
Okay.
eat.
Now, see you.
Careful, eh?
Well, you can still talk.
Yeah, so aalis na siya. He asked if he can come earlier. Then he can come home earlier, so... Kasi mamayang gabi, he'll be working again, the same address from last night. And then tomorrow daytime.
See you.
Bye-bye. No, okay. So we're supposed to eat this cheesecake this morning.
Hello.
I was still here, but wala. Si Papa trabaho. So we're eating it now because Moriah was like, I need the cheesecake now.
She's not even here.
And she's not here.
But she wasn't cold either, so.
I called her, she didn't pick up.
And Rodney is working. I think he was saying he's changing some car battery or something. I don't know. Lucas place, and I still need to figure out what to prepare. I think I'm gonna start off with the Mango Supreme. For Papa's birthday. We're not gonna make cheesecake. We're gonna make Mango Supreme.
That's Mariah's birthday.
And I'm still trying to see what we're gonna eat for his birthday. Maybe I'm gonna take out the whole chicken in the freezer. So my whole chicken can be freezer. Oh, I feel like something's in my eye. So just see how to make it, but at least marinate it so we'll have a lot. It will be tasty. Shut up, you know. So he's going to work in a little while, and Baru also later.
No.
Oh no, Evie's gotta work. So
It's been a good time talking about
and this, I was just finishing up the YouTube uploads. And this is Rodney's editing. I don't know if I can close the computer. So, and then in a little while, watch something. Look at that, Black Cat. Midnight. Midnight was the whole night outside in the winter. 2 degrees? Or was it minus? I heard a cat. So I thought it was the other cat from the neighborhood. Didn't expect it because sometimes, usually she would just meow.
Neighbors have cats.
But it was something else. So when in the morning, it was the same noise and they didn't even realize that it was midnight. No, because it was already morning. Ha ha ha! Okay, bye bye. See you later.
Moet ik even filmen. Look at this. Lulu. Lulu. Fix.
Okay, I'm gonna make some mango supreme. I don't know if you can see me. Can you see me, Baru?
They even mentioned here. Somebody's landing.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna twist the screen, of course. It's possible. Moments. Maingay dito kasi they're playing. And it's quite dark. Can you see? Can you see? Kita niyo ako? Okay, ooh! Quite far, eh? This bowl is going here. I can show you. This is an empty bowl. I'm gonna put some whipped cream in there. I'm gonna whip it. I'm gonna make it frothier. We are watching how do you call it? Culinary class or Korean cooking show. Yeah, it's cool. Sige. Bilisan natin. This is for Saturday, but I'm gonna make it now so that it will set very well. Okay. This is our it's always our favorite for birthdays and special occasions. Mango soup. Actually, it's a mango float, a refrigerator cake for the Philippines. But then when I make it, I put it in the freezer so it has like an ice cream. And we call it mango supreme. It's delicious. And then people ask me what's the, how do you call it? The recipe. We never gave it to our friends. Secret recipe, even though it's very simple.
I thought they were going to be at tables, you know, only one table.
Okay. Oh, come off. Yeah. This is how we fold the Dutch pack so that it won't be so bulky in the kitchen. They collect the plastic here. So if you don't want to pay so much for your rubbish, you segregate it. Plastic with plastic, paper with paper, because paper, plastic, and glass are free. And biodegradable stuff. Like food, veggies, how do you call it? Waste. It's also for free. The other things like toxic things, then you pay for it. Or big chunks. Okay, let's put it there. And here's my condensed milk. Oh, I forgot my can opener. I have my spatulas. Spatula in the big bowl is for all of it to be combined, and later I'm gonna buy some mango. I'm gonna use a frozen mango, and then I think I'm gonna cook it and make it nice. If you buy fresh ones, it's more expensive and it's less sweet usually. Okay. So, eto na yung condensed milk. Let's open it first.
Ready?
그리고 두 번째로는 여러분들 모두가 좋아하시는 스테이크 준비했는데 고추장 먹은 스테이크. 그럼에도 불구하고 가격대는 합리적으로 책정을 했기 때문에 이거는 사실
This brand is not very sweet. It's a Dutch brand. Yeah.
그리고 캐비아로
Excuse me? Okay, I'll put this melted butter here first.
절반으로 보시고 있기 때문에
So I'm gonna mix it all in this big bowl.
가능하면 저희 캐비아를 이용해 주시는 게 합리적인 선택이 되지 않을까.
캐비어 양이 달라요.
butter. Yeah. Then I add in my condensed milk. That's 1.5 tin. 397 grams per tin. So 397 and 1/2 of 397. I'm not gonna calculate it for you. Maingay kaya, sorry. Kasi yung TV on. Yung mga bata naglalaro. So they can be screaming once in a while. Okay. That. Nya, tingnan nyo. Yun. Ubusin natin to.
구성되어 있습니다. 첫 번째 요리로 김대중 대통령부터 윤석열 대통령까지 대통령들이 가장 맛있게 드시는 게 대통령의 텐동입니다. 텐동. 임금상을 받으십니다.
제 시리즈 메뉴는 옛날 동파요리라고 해서요. 유튜브 먹을텐데 방영을 한 차례 했고요.
저의 오늘의 메뉴는 요리왕 비룡 마파두부입니다.
Around 600
최초 중식으로 소개된
grams of condensed milk in this. 135 grams of butter. So this thoroughly mixed. Now I'm gonna add in my slightly beaten whipped cream, and then whip it all the way. Okay, see, it's foaming. Oh shoot! Oh. No cry, don't cry. You haven't eaten? Si Samuel aalis na, he's going to work. Oh, it didn't. Usually I add it gradually. So all the cream's in there. Just fold it. Fold it. Actually, I should have added the cream gradually, but I forgot about it. So now I have to do it like this. Hopefully they will be mixed thoroughly.
What is all this? It's for me? 이거 진짜야? Okay. 캐비아 모든 전. 캐비아 모든 전. Steak. 캐비아 모든 전.
We'll just count how many.
Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steak. 5 steak and 5 caviar. Shit.
They're serving shit? Oh, sorry. It's still on. Pasensya na. I was saying some stupid stuff. Sandali. Okay. Ganon. Ang dilim. Duy, Samuel. Bye, Samuel. It's going to work. Madilim kaya. I'm afraid I might need some extra condensed milk. And that means I have to go to the store, which I don't want to do. I hope it's just enough. No, I think it's enough. Okay, you hold this. Can we go to the light? You don't have to show my face. Is it light enough? Yeah. Oh. I thought you can twist this. You can. Oh, just like that. Only that. I think it's thoroughly mixed already. Now, so I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna go to the store close by, to buy the frozen mango. I saw it in their freezer. And a biscuits. I think I'm gonna use yeah, it's good. I'm gonna use a paper note.
Yeah, I'm driving in Belgium now, and I'm going to get some petrol because it's much cheaper here in Belgium. 30 euro cents cheaper, which is like but a lot. And it's like 20 pesos per liter less. So usually I tank here, but today I'm going to tank somewhere else, a little bit further. Very misty. I'm almost home. I'll be home for 2 hours, then I have a night shift, and directly after that a day shift at Sarah's place.
It's raw!
I bought the frozen mangoes in the cubes. So I have, it's quite...
You should spell something.
It's quite...
Spell a word.
You're covering the light, you know? You better go there. It's, what you got? Did you say?
You spell a word with mango.
No, I can't do that. I have to cut it thinner because it's so thick. So the crumbs, I made crumbs from the pepper nuts, we call that in English, even though it's not. Kruidnoten. And I still have to put kruidnoten on top of this. Then I don't, that way, this time I'm not gonna crumble it anymore. Ah, ano ba yan? Yung English ko, naubusan na ako. Sige. And, oh, this mango is quite sweet. And I layer it with pepper nuts, kruidnoten again. I'm not gonna put it in the machine to make it like this. I'm just gonna do the small cookies in there. Oh, it's gonna take a long time, and it's not totally frozen anymore, but it's quite cold. Okay, so you will see this when it's done, when we are going to eat it on Papa's birthday. See you. So this is what becomes of my mango supreme. I think the mangoes, how do you call that, drowned in there. I whipped the cream, so it's foamy, and maybe it's getting lighter, but it went up. So it looks different. I hope it tastes the same. And also I'm using a different cookie. We don't have graham crackers here. And usually I use Marie biscuits. I didn't do it this time because I wanted to use up all the cookies that we have most, and that is the Sinterklaas cookies, kruidnoten, pepernoten. So yeah, I hope it will taste nice. And yeah, that's it for no. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and if you have liked our vlogs, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the bell and share, because sharing is caring. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it is here where you can subscribe. Where is my finger? Somewhere here. And there's two different ones, there and there, for you to watch. See you.